Why is hypnotherapy and NLP so effective with serious issues like anxiety, stress, depression, self-confidence, pain, and so much more? Hello there, I'm Mark here at Newcastle Hypnotherapy, and I'm a clinical hypnotherapist and a master practitioner of neuro-linguistic programming. Very simply, hypnotherapy and NLP gives you choices. You can get to choose how you feel, how you react and you respond. You can choose your actions, your habits, your feelings, and most importantly, your emotions. Imagine the ability to be in control of your feelings, your emotions, your habits, your cravings. Imagine being able to stand there and to bring in a feeling of calm, confidence, strength, and relaxation. Imagine being able to step back in any situation and not react, to assess the situation, decide how you feel, and then deal with that situation the best that you can. Hypnotherapy and NLP can really train you to do all of this. You can be in control your emotions, feel relaxed, and remove any feelings of anxiety and stress while controlling your feelings, your cravings, your habits, and your actions. Now, no matter if your problem has been with you for some time or whether it is quite new, we can usually make a significant difference very, very quickly. And with practice over time, we can usually totally eradicate the problems of stress, anxiety, depression, and other problems by putting you back in control. If you're ready to now move forward and take control of your problems or issues, simply contact us to arrange your free 15-minute phone consultation. Here we can explore your problems, answer all of your questions, and discuss the best way forward for you. If you are still looking to do some research, take your time to look through the website, look at the previous client testimonials, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll help the best that we can. I look forward to seeing you soon.